In this video, I will show you how to change website name in Squarespace. So the first step is to change the website name from the navigation bar. So as you can see, I have my name here. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on edit, then simply click on the navigation bar and then click on edit here. So you're gonna have to simply click on set title and logo, and you can simply change your website title. Now you can also go back here to your website. So let me go back here to my account. As you can see, I have here my website and I can simply click on settings and I can basically change the site name. So as you can see, let me go back here. As you can see, I have the domains, then I have the brand, and I have here all the settings. But overall, that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.